Hello everyone, welcome back to Electricity Frenzy. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use extension cords safely. Extension cords are a convenient way to extend the reach of your electrical appliances, but it's important to use them correctly to avoid any potential hazards. So, let's get started. Choosing the right extension cord. The first thing you need to consider is choosing the right extension cord. Extension cords come in different lengths, gauges, and types, and selecting the appropriate one for your needs is important. For example, if you're using a high-powered device like a space heater or power tool, you'll need a higher gauge and amp rating cord. We recommend choosing a cord with a 3-prong plug and a grounded outlet to reduce the risk of electrical shock. Inspecting the cord. Before you use the extension cord, it's important to inspect it for any damage or wear and tear. Check the cord for any cracks, cuts, or frayed wires. If you find any damage, do not use the cord, and replace it immediately. Proper use of extension cords. When using extension cords, it's essential to use them correctly to avoid any potential hazards. First, never overload an extension cord with too many devices. Each device has a maximum wattage capacity, and exceeding it could cause the cord to overheat and start a fire. Secondly, never use extension cords for permanent wiring, they're only meant to be used temporarily. Positioning the cord. When positioning the cord, make sure to avoid any potential tripping hazards. Keep the cord away from high traffic areas or any place where someone might accidentally trip over it. Avoid placing the cord under carpets or rugs, as this can cause the cord to overheat and start a fire. Storing the cord. After you're done using the cord, make sure to store it properly. Avoid wrapping the cord too tightly, as this can damage the wires inside the cord. Instead, wrap the cord loosely around your arm and secure it with a twist tie or Velcro strap. Conclusion. And that's it. We've covered everything you need to know about using extension cords safely. Remember to choose the right cord, inspect it before use it properly, position it correctly, and store it safely. By following these tips, you can reduce the risk of any potential hazards and enjoy the convenience of extension cords. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Electricity Frenzy for more electrical safety tips.